Let's see how to zoom out in the Wix editor. Adjusting the zoom level in the Wix editor allows you to have a better view of your entire page, making it easier to design and arrange elements. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to zoom out using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. And once you are in, click Design Your Website. In the top bar of the Wix editor, locate the zoom percentage display, which is situated between the breakpoint icons and the upgrade button. Select a lower percentage to zoom out and see more of your page. Like this. Alternatively, you can use your browser's zoom function. You can use either click or press Ctrl and then click the minus button to zoom out. And then click plus button and Ctrl if you want to zoom in. If you don't know this method on your keyboard, you can use your website or browser's settings just by clicking these three dots and then click this minus button to make it smaller or zoom it out, and then click this plus button to zoom it in. Once you've adjusted the zoom level to your preference, you can continue editing your site with a broader view of your content. That's how to zoom out and zoom in the Wix editor. See you soon!